getting out the bucket tractor because I got a load of corn. Truck driver's already out there because they were gonna call me, let me know when they were on their way. Well, they forgot to call me. So my father just called me because his house is right next to the shop here and said, "Hey, do you know you got a truck out here?" Sorry for all the fast spinning around and everything, but I gotta move the gator out from in front of the tractor. I don't want to make him wait too long, but not exactly my fault neither. If he has to wait a few minutes. Oh, thank God for power steering in these new gators. Turns so much better. Alright. Get my gloves. Get the door open. And go load a load of corn. I put these boards down here along the bottom just to help keep some of the cold air out along the floor. As you can see, we got a little bit of snow last night. And by the end of the week, it'll be 45 to 50 again. And raining. God, our weather sucks. Look out, buddy. Alright, I'll be back with you in a minute when we start loading. Alright. I couldn't get the PTO and everything hooked up while holding on to the camera. There's Buddy, you'll like this. He likes to eat corn out of the hopper. That might be why he weighs 150 pounds. Anyways, we're loading corn. It is Tuesday, January 6th. I think it's going to a feed mill. Alright, I'm in my little computer shack for when we're drying corn. There's the dryer out there. Computer normally sits there. Everything is out for the winter. But I got my trusty little test weight cup here. Those of you that are farmers have seen it before, where you slide the scale. Anyways, I have an electronic one, but that's put away for the winter. I just sampled this corn that I'm sending out right now, and this load was 51 pounds. And these things are pretty accurate. So that means that feed mill will whack me for test weight, because they dock you for anything below 54 pounds. Here in our area, 55 to 56 pounds is pretty common. We can live with that. There's the truck out there. Anything under 54, they dock you. But last year, 2018, we had a great year. 58 to 59 pound corn. And you know, it's amazing. They don't pay any extra for the heavier corn. And if you took this pail here, and let's say this pail would fill 3/4 full of 56 pound corn, which is what a bushel is. So with 51 pound corn, you'd have to fill it right to the top or more. So you're still giving them a bushel of corn, and they're docking you on top of it. It's just ridiculous. But anything to screw the farmer. We're at the bottom of the totem pole, bottom of the hill, and shit runs downhill. And there's Buddy. You done eating corn out of the hopper now? Big oaf. Big oaf. Corn starting to pile up. 5115 comes in handy for doing this. We leave it in the shop, so it's always warm. Never have to plug it in to come out and load or plow snow. Yep, he just moved. Moving now. Got the back pretty much full. Now he'll move to the center. Fill that up. And then we'll be done. Back in the shop. Got the tractor put away. Just loaded that load of corn. It's funny, my phone just rang before I was ready to video this, and it was the owner of the trucking company. He says, he's laughing, "I forgot to call you and tell you that the truck was on its way." Yeah, well, I found that out when my father told me, but he'd only been sitting here 5 or 6 minutes. So he's going to, the truck driver, text me a picture of the load ticket so I can see what the weight was, the moisture, the test weight. We'll see how that compares to the test weight that I took out there. And I'll let you know how accurate that cup was, but generally it's pretty accurate. So I might just put this into another video because we're supposed to load 2 more loads this week, so I might do another one and add it right to this one. Wednesday, January 8th. I'm just adding this on to yesterday's and making one video out of it. I'm in my shop. It's about 12:30. I'm waiting to hear from the trucking outfit. I'm supposed to load another load of corn today. Just an update on yesterday's load. You saw how I did the test weight with that test weight cup and said it was around 51. They made it 50.6, so they are pretty accurate. And it was 13%, which is a little drier than I like. The guy had just shy of 69,000 pounds, so almost 34.5 ton. We shoot for 35 ton because 4 35-ton loads will knock out a 5,000 bushel contract. I just looked at my charts. I'll lose 6 cents a bushel because of the test weight. Most of the feed mills were, well, 2 that I got charts for were pretty close to each other. For that, one would have been 4 cents. But our local ethanol plant, that's about 17 miles north of here, yeah, they would have got me for 14 cents. It's a Sunoco ethanol plant. The last load I took in there, our BCFM, for those of you who aren't farmers, that just means how dirty your corn is, cracked kernels, stuff like that, was like 8%. The feed mill yesterday made it 1.2. So the ethanol plant likes to dock us for everything they can dock us for, because I personally don't think Sunoco's in the best of financial situations, so they're trying to fix their woes out of our pockets, basically. So who knows what'll happen to that plant. But so this will probably make the whole video because it's cold, nasty, blowing snow outside, and I really don't want to freeze my hands off holding the camera, taking a video. And oh yeah, there he is. Where is he? I gotta get closer. There he is, sleeping on the floor. So nice and warm in here. All right, so maybe the next time we load and it's not so miserable, I'll do some more footage of that, go up on top of the bins and see what's left in them and whatnot. So as I've said before, help us out, subscribe, doesn't cost you anything. Hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you next time.